thank you for waiting. Hi. Maybe I need to more higher. Okay. It's the beauty of nature light that brought us together here today. Have you ever seen firefly there or here? Oh yes. I consider myself fortunate to have experienced that magic. Today, I'm talking about dancing light, which is reducing rapidly as dark sky because of light pollution. Okay, and what is firefly? There are over 2,500 species found in all countries, except New Zealand and the polar areas. The environment is wetland, and the water by system forced by two streams. Okay, have a look. And this wetland is combined with two spring sources, and thousands of fireflies bark in this area when they come to the night. Let's have a look at the video recorded by me in Zhejiang Province in China. And this compared with just only 10 photos. Okay. Firefly lets us through a process called bioluminescence, which take place in the special cells in the abdomen. There are three main reasons why they glow. One, to find a partner, and the second reason is to protect themselves from predators. The light can act as a warning, telling animals like frogs that they are not tasty. For some species, to mark territory, and also there are lots of stories we don't know. Firefly typically won't make any appearance where there are bright, apparent light, even in full moon evening. Fireflies' eyes are particularly sensitive to certain kind of artificial light, like new LED street light, but it's not in New Zealand, it's in China, which contains blue light, disrupting the fireflies' communication more than old-fashioned through the street light. Fewer fireflies will be born each year. Firefly behavior has been observed to be affected by bright light at night. For example, there is a video I captured in Dasha River Park, Shenzhen in China. When after 11 p.m., the lights in the autumn park will turn off, and the fireflies emerge from the woods. But you can have a look. This is pretty small. It's that's one. And one. Yeah, and just emerge from the wood after 11 p.m. But usually they will show up 4 to 3 hours earlier. So it's weird. Okay. And street light are influencing fireflies, and trees, and other insects, and ourselves. Even in rural areas, which are the primary habitats for fireflies, lighting apparatus in China are gaining increasing attention with the aim of beautifying the regions. We believe that the glow of fireflies can bring tourism opportunities to urban park and countryside, That is why my partner and I am working on 3-story firefly habitats and breeding native real firefly species. The key factors for success to minimize lighting rebuild. Night lighting rebuild ecosystem, reproduce firefly growth. Since today we are focusing on lighting pollution, let's talk more about that. There are some rules to follow. 1. Plant dense trees and shrubs to block light. Dense mercury can effectively block starlight from cities or artificial sources, especially light pollution reflected by clouds. Turn off necessary lighting and decorative fixtures. For essential lighting, use shading device and modify direction and angle for optimization. Too quick. I don't know which one.
Press the button on the...
Yeah. The next step is to identify and breed endangered firefly groups like Aquatica lake. It's a Aquatica insect, living water. The project is still going on. It will take several years. And these photos, it's a terrestrial, and I feed them by myself. And in the daytime, we will lead some firefly exhibition, and when it goes to the nighttime, we lead firefly tours in the habitats. We are using bright light, which is friendly to the wildlife. That's what I do. Protecting the exchanged fireflies help reduce light pollution. The growing flies at night can help boost local ecotourism, generating economic benefits, which is one of the key reasons why both of the public and the local governments are interested in this initiative. By the way, and this is my personal website, and the yellow one, sorry about Pink Ecology. And will document some of my adventures and firefly species I investigate, including some new records I discovered in China. Thank you, everyone.